Once you put that in place, you screw that down, and now it's a no bypass brewer.
Yes.
It has a gasket there. Place it here. We're going to push it to the bottom with our gizmo. And then we're going to grind some coffee for that.
Thank you very much. That's all yours. Thank you very much.
This is cool.
Homogenize it, a little shaking.
The things that this guy is doing. It looks like a French press.
It does. Yeah.
We're going to add about 325 mils of water. Stop just before I get to the band. Right about there. We're going to do a little agitation, mix that coffee with the water. Once we feel like we've got that coffee and water mixed, lift up on the wing nut, and we're going to let it sit here for about 3.5 minutes, so I'll set my timer.